All right, so this video is long overdue, but we need to talk. We need to talk about GameStop. We need to talk about AMC, the entire stock market in general. What's basically going on? Everything's down today. GameStop is crazy up. AMC's crazy up. Nokia crazy up. We'll talk about all of that in this video, whether I'm invested in either one of them or even more, which hint, hint, I am. So we'll get into my position, everything in this video. So just sit back, stay tuned, relax, because we got a lot to talk about. So if you don't know, I go by DollarMike here on YouTube. I make personal finance videos. So that's videos about saving money, investing, credit cards, all that kind of good stuff. Anything really relating to money, I kind of got you covered here on this channel. So make sure you check the whole channel out. But in this video, we're going to be talking about investing in the stock market and everything that's going on right now, because man, is it insane. I don't want to waste any more time because that's not something I really do here. So let's actually get into the video. Let's go. Real quick before we dive in, if you guys want to drop a like on this video, that would be very appreciated. That is the easiest way to help me grow as a channel, so thank you very much for that like. Also, make sure you get yourself 4 free stocks on the Webull app. You'll get 2 for signing up and another 2 when you deposit your first $100. Also, sign up for Robinhood because that'll get you a free stock if you're interested in investing on either one of those platforms. And you can also sign up for Public because that'll give you a free fractional share of whatever stock you might choose. I typically choose Amazon. But past all the plugs, let's actually talk about GameStop first and how they're actually going on this insane tear over the past week and a half, you could say. So currently looking at Robinhood, GameStop is at $330 a share. It is up 134% over the past day. Over the past week, it's up 745%. And over the past month, it's up nearly 1,500% or $310, basically everything. So what exactly is going on with GameStop? Essentially, it's an investor term called a short squeeze. In simple terms, a short squeeze is when investors are betting that the stock price of a stock will go down. In this case, we're talking about GameStop. The same exact thing is also currently happening with AMC. When short sellers or those investors that are betting that the stock price of GameStop will go down, if they don't hit that price target that they're betting on, they have to essentially cover their shorts, or they can go ahead and buy shares of GameStop, which obviously makes the stock rise. So from my knowledge, there has been one or a couple of billionaires, I'm not going to say any names here, but they are essentially trying to short GameStop stock, and they've been doing it for some time now. And I guess people over on Reddit felt as though, oh, we're not doing that. We're not letting these billionaires get the W here. So we're going to go ahead and take the W and pump up GameStop stock. So now we basically have a full-blown war of basically billionaire short sellers versus the people. And guess what? We're winning right now because GameStop stock is way up. Like I mentioned before, the same exact thing is happening with AMD right now. So you want to hop in. I'm not saying this is an investing advice. This is me just talking on the internet. If you want to hop in, then hop in. If you don't want to hop in, then don't hop in. But the ride, who knows where AMD could go over the next couple of days, maybe a week or so. Either way, you can see what GameStop's done. GameStop's went from what, a $2 stock, or I guess roughly a $20 stock, to about $333 a share. And we all know, if you guys know GameStop, we all know that GameStop's basically a failing company. They're done. There's no reason for the share price to be even. I personally don't think it's really worth $20, but hey, that's just me. I think GameStop is like a $1, $2 stock. Either way, here we are today. And like I mentioned, AMC is on that same type of trend. There is currently $38 million worth of shorts for AMC because, for obvious reasons, those same people believe that AMD will fail just as much as they believe GameStop will fail. I'm not saying that either one of these companies are great because honestly, I don't like AMD and I don't like GameStop. But I'm going to take advantage of the trends that's presenting itself and make some money. And that's what we're doing in this video. So now that you basically know the gist, what exactly happened in the stock market today, we're going to go on over to my Robinhood portfolio right now, live, and I'll show you exactly what happened. And honestly, this is quite insane. I didn't expect this. I don't think anybody expected this, but you know, this has never happened before, but I don't have any issue with it. To be completely honest, I don't have any issue with it. If you're a long-term investor, this is great for you. If you're a short-term investor, it's not too great for you depending on what you're invested in, but we're going to get into it. So let's start with my Robinhood portfolio right here, right now. Before I actually open my Robinhood portfolio on up, I just want to mention that I do dividend investing videos on Robinhood, so make sure you check out some of those videos. I go over my full Robinhood portfolio every single month, usually once a month, usually the beginning of every single month. So it'll basically be a video out for my February portfolio basically next week, and a lot of stocks on there probably won't be on there overall throughout the whole February, but we'll explain it when I actually open up my portfolio. So let's actually do that and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Either way, those videos are already on the channel. I make tons of investing videos, so check those videos out. That's basically all I'm saying. You know, a little slight plug. Face ID, and we're in. So you can see right now my account value is sitting at $24,374.22. Overall today I am down $196. Nothing, oh, well, $200. Nothing crazy right now, but you can see, I mean, overall over the day, it was actually one point in the day where I was over $25,000, and that's the first time I actually hit $25,000, so I was pretty happy about that. And I'll get back there maybe tomorrow, who knows, it's not really that big of a deal. And even another point, I was up over $4,000 on the day. I think this was a glitch, not entirely sure. I hope it wasn't, but I think it was a glitch, so that was $28,000 or almost $29,000, and then it came on back down a couple seconds later. I'm pretty sure it was a glitch, and this is where we are for today. If we scroll down, you can see I have some options. I actually have some options on AMC, on Nokia, on Express, on PFMT, which don't bother with that, on Ally, don't bother with that, on Block. You can get in on Block if you want to, and on Walgreens, which went up a little bit today, especially off that good news from the whole CEO aspect of things. But the main stocks we're focusing on in this video is Express with my $7 call, Nokia with my $10 call, and AMC, of course, with my $9 call. But before we even get into those options, those are the options that I did buy, so you can see them right there. Those are the ones I did buy. But before we even get into those options, let's go down some more and look at all the stocks I have in my portfolio. I'm not going to actually go through them all, but I just want to show you guys the sea of red. And listen, if you're a long-term investor in the stock market, because you see all this red, and you can see how much I'm down. I have it set to today's return, so you can see how much I'm down on each one of these stocks right now, live. If you're a long-term investor, then this is a great day for you, because everything in the market went down today, so people could hop on the hype train, and it's still going for GameStop. They could hop on the hype train for Nokia. They could hop on the hype train for BlackBerry, because all these stocks are just shooting up like crazy. It's not a safe investment, but hey, the higher the risk, the higher the reward is the way I look at it, and I'm pretty young, so I can take these large risks. Either way, I'm going to keep scrolling down. You can see I have even more. Basically, what I'm saying is my whole portfolio is red today. And honestly, I think the stock price of AMD, Nokia, BlackBerry, Express, I think they're going to go way higher than what they are now, especially AMC. I think AMC is potentially the next GameStop. I'm not saying you should go and buy some, but the investor in me is not saying you should go buy some, but just me being myself, go out and take the risk. Why not? I mean, if you lose, you lose. You win a lot. If we go in and focus on my AMC call, I'm going to go ahead and open that up, and you can see I'm up today $425, roughly in less than 5 hours. That's cool. Since then, AMC stock has went down in the after hours, so it'll be a little bit lower tomorrow, but overall I'll still be up with it because I got it pretty early. I think I got it actually around when AMC was like $14, maybe $11. That's when I got it. I'm not entirely sure. I honestly believe that AMC will hit $50 by the end of this week. So I'm just saying, I'm just putting this out here. Do your own research. Go check out Twitter. Go on StockTwits. Go on WallStreetBets on Reddit, because this is actually where all of this began. Go check out all these different resources. You can't actually base the stock price of these stocks off of the actual company right now, because obviously they're being short squeezed. So we all know what these stocks are actually worth. They're not worth that much, but the point that they're being short squeezed, and all in all, we're just trying to get these billionaires out of here. They've been ruling the stock market for far too long now, and we're taking over. It's just that simple. Power is in the numbers. It's that simple. You can see it's up 300%. There's no true reason for that but the short squeeze. I am not a financial advisor. This video, as well as all of my other investing videos, are for entertainment purposes only, so invest at your own risk. Do everything at your own risk, because that's all you really got. But either way, if I can come up, make a couple thousand, maybe a couple 10,000 off of AMC, GameStop, Nokia, the other ones that I have on there, BlackBerry, Express, then I'm gonna do that. I don't have any issue with it. I'm willing to take the risk, and we'll find out. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. But right now, my main focus is definitely on AMC and Express. So I got 50 shares of AMC on Webull. I got 50 shares of Express on Webull. And I also have those 2 options on Robinhood. And we're just going to see where this goes. I'll probably end up selling out of this actually next week, because that's when my contracts expire. So I kind of have to sell it. I don't really have a choice. And for the shares, we're just going to ride those. And I'll probably end up buying more on every single dip if the stock keeps going up. I have no issue with it. Like I said before, look at GameStop. It's at $330 right now. Quite insane. So if AMC can get up there with my 50 shares, trust me, I'll take it. So that's kind of it for this video. If you got something out of this video, definitely hit it with a like button. Definitely let me down below in the comment section, what are you planning on trying to get into? I don't recommend getting into GameStop right now, because honestly, I still believe GameStop will actually go to $1,000 maybe next week. Who knows? But I like to buy options for it, and the options for GameStop are pretty expensive, so I'm going to stay clear of GameStop. But AMC definitely on the list. Let me know if you're getting an AMC, Express, BlackBerry, GameStop itself, anything else down in the comment section below. Let me know what you're investing in general, because we can talk about that on the channel too. Just normal long-term investments. Once everything gets back to normal, normal long-term investments, what are you investing in? Any other type of stuff that you'd like to see on the channel, let me know. Of course, I'll cover all that stuff for you guys. And that's kind of it. Like I said before, I do personal finance videos all across the channel, so make sure you check it out. Saving money, investing money, budgeting, credit cards, all that kind of good stuff. So lastly, thank you for watching. I'm out. DollarMike. Peace.